This week on JTV, we've got plants from Schubert Nurseries, and we're going to learn to embellish them with ribbon. So let's get started with today's project. We'll be featuring some of the great things from Schubert Nurseries. These bird cages are amazing. They come in a small size, and actually the ivy is growing into the sphagnum moss bottom down here. It's really easy to care for because when it gets dry and it's not very heavy, then you take and immerse it down in the sink. When the bubbles stop, pull it out and put it back in place. I've had this one for a couple months at home. It works really well and it's very easy to care for. All I do, again, is soak it and then I bring it back over and set it in this great ceramic dish. The tendrils actually start to get longer and then you can weave them back around the bird cage itself. It's a fun way for you to work with them and have them be interactive. The other two that we're going to be working with are these great angel vine topiaries. They have a rustic metal topiary inside. This one looks like a flower, and this one looks like the sun. The angel vine is very easy to care for as well. Again, it needs lots of water, and this just grows and grows, so we can wrap it around the topiary form itself. Now here's a challenge. When you get something like this, and you want to incorporate it into your room or into the theme of your interior or for a special function, what do? Well, we'll show you that today using ribbon to accessorize these. I brought in some pots to show you the different colorations and how it actually changes the personality of the topiaries. This little daisy down inside the chocolate pot looks very rich and kind of classic. Over here, a little more natural. And over here, it gets really fun inside that hot pink pot. So say we were going to use this as a present for somebody who had a baby girl. We can use some of the sheer ribbon from Reliant. This one's really springy too with the yellow and the green in it. We'll use our ribbon trick of using a stick to poke it right down into the soil. We can just create a loop across the front and weave the angel vine through it. And now we've customized it. Adding that little bit of ribbon makes this really punchy and fun. So what if we take this guy and put it in the chocolate brown? And then we'd use this great chocolate brown polka dot. Now we could take this and tie it right around the base. I'll let this tail fall out the side over here, and I'll bring this down and poke it into the soil. Now that's a fun way for us to do it. It works easy. Now say we're going to use our little bird cage and we put it on top of this pot. That'll help grab some of the moisture after we've watered it. It also gives it a stand and adds some color. Now say it was Christmas time. I could use this great cross weave and notice how that red starts to pick up the same red of the little bird inside. And look at how fast and easy that goes together. It's a great way for us to incorporate that red and green theme. Or we can take a length just like this and add it to the hook at the top. It's a great way to customize it, and this can easily be removed when we water it, and then with a simple stick, we can put it back afterwards. It's fast and easy, and it also changes it up. After the holidays are over, we could use a different color. Pretty simple. You know, this little topiary is great. And in a green pot like this, this is very neutral. But because it's here on JTV, I could use this great plaid that's available from Reliant. And now it matches JTV. So that's a great way for us to update or theme any plant we have using ribbon. Until next week, keep having fun with flowers.